Hi, today I want to show you a trick that happens to a lot of us when we're using some of these medical grade skincare products. A lot of these products come in a pump container. It's an airless pump container, and they make it like that so that you get more product in the container. You can use it all the way down to the very bottom. But sometimes what people experience is maybe when they first get the product, the pump isn't working. Mine is actually working fine, but for the purpose of this demonstration, let's pretend like it didn't work. So I'm just gonna rub that product. Never wanna waste these great products. So I'm just gonna rub that in up on my arm. So if you ever have one of these Lumen products that looks like this, it can happen to the Skin Medica products or the Neocutis like I'm pointing at, any product that comes in an airless pump. Some of the Zoe products come like that. Even sometimes it can happen with the sunscreens too. But what you wanna do is close this pump for me, take it upside down on the palm of your hand, and just bang it several times. This is called priming the product. This is gonna make that pump out so much easier and so much better. So you may think that your product or your pump is defective, but yet it's just that the pump needs to be primed. So it's not a defective product, it's just requires a little bit of priming to get that product to come through the pump and the tubing that's in there. So same thing with the Neocutis. We get calls back sometimes on these. Put the cap on, turn it upside down, and several times do like that. And then our pump will work just fine. Thanks for watching.